Hello, in this tutorial I will teach you how to add two axes in a chart. As you can see that this chart has three axes. One is y-axis, another is x-axis, and another is one more y-axis. So in order to add these axes in this chart, you have to have a preset of data. For example, I have a data here, and this is the parameter revenue and gross margin. This is financial year for 2018, 2019, and 2020, and this is the value given for each year. In order to make a chart like this, first of all you have to select the data, then go to insert button. From here you have to select the area chart. Okay, then from here you have to select the gross margin chart. Right click over here and select the format data series. From here you have to select the secondary axis. Then now again right click here, then go to the chart series and chart type. Then from here the gross margin percentage, you have to choose the line chart. As you can see that this is almost looks similar, but the only difference is that this is the maximum range of data is 40, but here is 30. But if we see in our data, this is the minimum is uh, 25 and the maximum is 36. So we want to change the data series according to our data. So right click over the data, and from here format axis, then you set the minimum for 20 for example, and the maximum you choose for 30, and the measure should be around 20. The measure should be around 2. Okay, as you can see that the range of data is exactly looks similar to the first chart. And the next thing you have to do is that as you can see that here in the first chart, the title is given, title of financial year is given in below, but in the chart that we have made, the title is not given. In order to put the title here, you have to right click here, and from here you have to choose select data, and this is the edit button. You have to press that, and from here you select the financial year, then press OK. As you can see, financial year is appeared here. And the next thing, as you can see that our chart doesn't have title, so you can write the title of the chart also here. I will write that financial year 2018 to financial year 2020, gross margin and revenue. Okay, you can change the font, you can decrease the font size, and change the font to Arial. Arial is a good one. Okay, sorry, the spelling is wrong. Again, double click here, Arial. Okay, this is perfect. If you want to drag into the corner, so you can do the same thing. Okay, and one more difference is there, that this axis, the data, the set of data is a little bit different. You can choose it from here, and the minimum should be around 0.5, 0.7, the maximum 0.8, and the measure should be 0.02. Okay, now it is a perfect chart, and we have added the secondary axis to this chart. Okay, thank you for watching. If you think that my videos are helpful for you and you can learn something from my videos, please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and more importantly, write your comment in comment section of the channel, and whatever the question you have, you can ask me.